going to use the data set to the left to answer the following questions. We're going to find percentiles today using Excel formulas. So letter A, what value represents the 25th percentile? Okay, so for finding percentiles, not too bad. We're going to start with an equal sign like we do for all formulas in Excel. And we're going to start typing percent. Now you're going to see as soon as I get to PER, the first two that come up are percentile EXC and percentile INC. Now the difference between those is that EXC means it excludes values or 0 and 1 of the probability, right? Percentile INC is including. So I always use the INC because if you think about percentiles, 0 is, the very beginning, 1 is at the end. I want those to be included. So I always use them. Now you can see in the parentheses, we need the array first. That's what data are we using? So the beauty of Excel, we can just highlight, all right? I want to use all of these values. I'm going to put a comma in, and then K represents the percentile. So I'm going to type in 25% and the parentheses and hit enter. So you can see that 17.5 is in the 25th percentile. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click A. While I'm doing this, I want to kind of have a conversation about this. I'm going to highlight that comma. I'm going to go up to the sort and filter, and I'm going to rearrange these smallest to largest. Now, when you think about the 25th percentile, it's, about 1/4. So if you think through this, we have 16 numbers in our data set. So this is like the first fourth. So you can see 17.25 is going to fall between 15 and 18. So you can see that it kind of breaks it down. So let's look at the 70th percentile. We're going to use the same formula, percent INC. We're going to highlight our array, comma, and then do 70%. And that's 29. So thinking through 70th percent, that's going to be down yonder, right? If we think about 75%, that would be the last 4, but we're 70th, so we're going to be before that. And 29 is going to fall between 28 and 30. So you can see if you put them in order least to greatest, you can kind of get a ballpark figure of where these are going to be. And then by using the formula in Excel, again, equals percentile. Ooh. And I always use the INC to include 0 and 1.